Hello guys, so today I have a project. I'm changing the oils for the axle and tranny. Both oils are 75W90, but one for the tranny, one for the axles. For the axles you have to have two buckets, but this is under two buckets. So if the bucket is like this tall, and you need just like about this much. So 2 axles and tranny. Just make sure for the Detroit, for the DT12, it's from the dealership 75W90. Also said on your filling plug, also said this also. So we need empty buckets. For the axles need to be cut like about this, like 12 inches cut on the empty box, on the empty, because under axle it's not that big of a difference, but under transmission one bucket feel good there. So let's go ahead, change it. So for the axles I use 19 millimeter multi-point. So just put it in kind of just like so, counterclockwise. And for the bottom there is a plug, and you can use a right here. You just put it on and untie it just like so. So let's put a bucket underneath and drain the whole fluid. So I cut this bucket right here. Make sure to not drop the plug. Filling up quick. Now the truck is at the angle to the right side, so we need to jack up the right side so more oil will drain. Put the drain plug back. So on the magnet, really nothing there. Okay, so the oil plug is good. Now let's put some oil in the diff. Okay, let's get this bolt out. Okay, so let's get the pump out. Got it from Harbor Freight Tools. Here you go. Simple action. And the bucket. And this is when you finally using it. You can see how it's flowing. Okay, let's put it in a... Let's go ahead and pump it. Just like so. And just go ahead and do this until you will see the oil will come out from the drain plug. Make sure your axle is leveled, same level. Okay, we're good to go. And go ahead and tie it and clean it up. Okay, so this is the first drive now. Looks like never even touch it anyone yet. There is a drain plug, fuel plug. So to not mess up, make sure you try to untie your fuel plug first. Okay, it's good. Then try to break in the fuel. So now because if you'll drain it, you cannot get this one off, you messed up big time. So drain plug first, and then I mean the fuel plug first and then drain. Yep. So let's get the drain plug so the bucket will work fine. I even got some measurements. So I think it's about, it will be like around 3 gallons, 3 or 3.5. Better be 3, so not overfilled. But make sure you have a second bucket, because who knows how much of the oil here. Start to go easy. No particles. Looks good. Stick in. Okay, so it's draining. Let's see how much we got oil here. We got about 3 gallons. So about 3 gallons in each axle. Okay. Let's make it drain for a little bit more. Put the plug back and fill up the axle.